Well there, welcome to my basement for a shipping video. This is the stuff that sold on the 15th, on December 15th, that I have to ship out tomorrow. So a little brass elephant's claw bell, glass bake mug. That I sent out an offer on, and that sold. I think I might have sent out offers on these as well. But anyway, yeah. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with the glass bell. Alright, so the journey into shipping. I'm just going to roll this thing up. I don't know if I should do it that way. Not too worried about it getting hurt here. I need to fix something here. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to bring this out here. There we go. See, that's not really what I wanted to do. Now I got to put two pieces of tape on there. I didn't roll that up right. Okay, let's just get a box. I got my favorite boxes just right here. The 6x4x4s are like right there in front of me. The 8x6x4s are off to my left over here, and those are the two boxes I use the most. I got all my stuff's right here, everything I need. Sometimes I need a different size box, and then I got to root through my pile of boxes. I should say, where do I get these? But most of them come from my wife, which goes out and does her cleaning jobs. She brings me home boxes and bubble wrap and air packets, but not all the time, but sometimes. Then I have a friend of mine as well who I should have put something in there I'm gonna stop that thing from clanging around in there. I just got a payment for something, that's good. Some Goosebumps videos that I sent out an offer on. I just got the payment for. So anyway, she brings me home stuff, and I got a friend of mine that lives close by that they order a lot of stuff online. So yeah, I'm gonna. How do I get something? I gotta get something down inside there that's not gonna be stuck down in there. So that I wonder if I stick this down in there a little bit. They should still be able to pull it out when they get it. It's not making much noise now. Yeah, let's do that. So I get a lot of other boxes from that stuff, but mostly I just order my boxes. It's just easier for me. What I can't get from the post office for free until they take that away. Which they will one of these days. They'll realize how many people are using it fraudulently, and they'll take it away. It's only a matter of time. Just want to put that in there so it doesn't bounce around too much. So what did I do today? Well, I did get up in time to be watching the stock market for when it made its big move today. So I saw that, and I was ready for that when it happened. I happened to have a couple hundred shares of Apple that spiked up, and I sold them for $1,000 profit. Yay, Dave. So that was pretty exciting for me. I'm going to put Bell on here. So yeah, that pretty much made my day. So then I just went around and did stuff around the house, you know. Then I did the dishes and did some laundry and burnt some trash, and I did what did I have? I had shipping to do that I didn't get a video of because I didn't have time. So, I don't think I got a video up. Did I get a video of that? No, I didn't. I don't think I did. Anyway, and then I went to the post office and went thrifting again, stopped by the shop, and packaged something that was there that needed taken care of. And I came home. And then I sat and watched Black Lightning with my wife for a while. And then I watched a bunch of episodes of Cobra Kai. And then I thought, well, it's 11:30. You should go do a shipping video. I was thinking about getting my shipping done, and then I thought, well, we should just do a video while we're doing it. So we're doing a video while that's what we're here for. I still have plenty of juice left. I'm not tired, so I wonder if I should put that. I think I can put that in here. I think I can. It's tough. It'll be all right. What I could do. No, pretty sure I had that. That's probably meant to ship first class. Should I put it in there? Nope. I should not put it in there. Nope, it's not gonna go in there. The handle sticks up just a bit too much. So, of course now I don't have any shares of Apple anymore because I sold them. So, hopefully the price will drop back down here this week sometime, and I'll sell a put option and maybe end up getting assigned again. Yeah, so there's that, and I just need some stuff in there. I wonder if I can do this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Stick that in there like that. That's good. This is a little crunchy. We'll stick that one in there like that. Okay. I don't think I can use this for the sides. I'll find something else to use, or eventually. Which side is the bottom? That's the one I want that on. Different packing materials here. Let's see what happens if I do that. Yeah. Wait. That's not going to close. It's touching right there. Oh. Well, that's no good. Yeah, it's coming out of there. Okay, so that's alright. So I'm going to put this on this end. And this down here. So yeah, real exciting day actually. Well, it was kind of exciting in the morning. I don't know, it doesn't take much to make me happy with what I did for the day. Got out and about, did some shipping, bought a few things. I have the back seat of my car is full of stuff that I need to bring in to prep and get ready to go. This is that mug, but I still have a table full of stuff over here that I haven't worked on. I've just been busy doing other stuff. Alright, so now we have these little plates, Corel Callaway plates, and Corel Callaway bowls. And, I've had these for a little bit. That's got some little, that needs a little cleaner. There we go. Alright, yeah. So I appreciate all the likes and the comments you guys have given me for my shipping videos. Again, it's nice to see that you folks are actually interested in them. Makes me feel pretty good. These are tough. I mean, it's hard. These don't break real easy, so when they do, they do though. Now, do I want to put, got all four there? Yep, I got all four there. So do I want to put those right there? Probably. Flip this over. That down like that. That's pretty good. And uh-oh, I might just run out of bubble wrap here. I'll have to go get my other roll. Let's see. I'm gonna go with this. So, so we got that. Now I'm going to, let's see, that's going to be a little bigger than I think. I was thinking maybe I'd double box it, but yeah, they ain't going to fit in there. So I tried using this box before, but I don't have another slightly bigger box to fit. Let me just see something here. I want to make sure these are going to fit in here before I go. See, they're not. They're not going to go fit in there. So, alright, so we're going to need, I think I'm going to try this. I'm going to try putting them in here. That's just an extra layer of protection, I guess. Yes. Yeah, that'll work. Some parts of the state they call it wise markets. Wise markets. Other parts of the state they call it Weiss markets. And then some of us, for some reason, decide to say Wises. I don't think you're going to find any of them outside of Pennsylvania. Okay, so there's that. Now I need a box. Need the right size box. The proper box. I need the proper box. I wonder if one of those will work. Well, let's see. Yeah, I think one of these will work. If I use one of these. 10 by 8 by 6 is another one of my favorite sizes. I actually like 8 by 6 by 5 as well, but I don't have any of those. But I like those for certain things, just like some book lots, hats. I use them for hats. What else? What else do I do with those? I used them for those Star Wars figures that I was selling, the Infinity ones. Before, when I still had them, I haven't had them, so I've been using the 8 by 6 by 4s, and they work. I'm just not as comfortable with them that way. Okay, so this goes there. Yeah, we can do that. Come on for there. Oh, I thought I had it the right size. Just a smidge too long. There we go, that's better. I wonder if I should probably, you know. Oh, right away. See how you are? Right, I didn't want that little piece in there. Take this, put that back in there. I'm going to split this. It seemed to take up too much. Oh, here, I'll put it over here where you can see it. Not that you really want to see it getting split, but there it is. It's split now. That side in there, that side in there. I'm going to take this little smidge and stick it down there. Look, it's beautiful. Okay, I wonder if that's too big, but I could do that. I'm going to try it. So I'm cutting again here. I love that sound. I said, what's that sound? Yeah, okay, so then this should go right about, I'm going to try here. There we go. Alright, there's this. Alright, we got that. Fold that over. Good. This is good. Okay. There. Sweet. All done. Okay, well, if I get some more, maybe I'll add them to this video. If not, take care. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.